Today we are having different varieties of dosa, but this dosa has a special taste and a separate fan base. Hello viewers, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Mysore special masala dosa. For making this, let's take 3 big potatoes, peel off the skin and add 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, little turmeric powder and keep 2 whistles in medium flame. Now let's smash the potatoes when it is hot. Chop 1 big onion, a string of curry leaves and 1 green chilli. In a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. For tempering, let's add little mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and now let's add the chopped onions and curry leaves. Fry them well until it turns golden brown in color. You can have this dosa without any side dish. Along with this aloo, we are going to make kemp chutney. Now our onions have turned light brown in color. We are going to add the smashed potatoes and mix it properly. For making the kemp chutney, let's soak 7 Kashmiri chilies and a small amount of tamarind. In the same kadai, let's add 1 teaspoon of oil, add 4 pieces of garlic, 1 big onion roughly chopped. Along with that, let's add the soaked chilies and tamarind, add little salt and fry it for some time and turn off the stove. Grind it to a fine paste. In a cast iron tawa, apply some ghee and spread it all over the tawa. Put 1 ladle of dosa batter and spread it evenly. Dosa should not be too thin nor too thick. Above that, let's put some kemp chutney and spread it properly. Don't flip the dosa, just close it with a lid for 1 minute, and then we are going to keep the masala aloo on one side of the dosa and flip the other side on top of it. Now our masala dosa is ready. We already had 2 dosas before showing you how to make it. This dosa was very tasty, and after trying this recipe in your home, please do post your valuable comments below. Thank you.